Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll discuss how to customize the Copilot for your model driven app. Let's say this is my model driven app I have created and I want to customize the Copilot. So what I can do, I can click on edit in new tab and open the Copilot integrated or out of the box Copilot integration with my model driven app so that you can give users to choose an option to start with. So here you will see there is a option called as agents. Okay, in this agents option you can choose what to edit. Okay, by default these are the agents which are already added in this environment, and this is what which is integrated. Now if you want to edit, you just click on edit in Copilot Studio, and which will open the agent or the Copilot Studio integrated with your with your model driven app inside Copilot Studio editor. Okay, now you can go here and sign in if it is required, and you can just click on extend trial and proceed further. Now this will open the Copilot that is by default integrated with your model driven app, and here you can edit the topics. The first topic is your greetings topic, isn't it? So click on topics and customize the greetings. Right now it is telling that hello, I am your app copilot. Okay. And if you want to change it, you can just scroll down and open the greetings topic and change it. Now this is the greetings topics. And if you open the greetings topic, you'll see these are the phrases that is used, right? So and here you can change your message, but right now it is telling that because this topic is managed, non-customizable, it cannot be modified, right? Greetings topic, because it is managed, it is not modified. So what you can do, you can create new topics. You can click on add new topic and from blank and choose a phrase. Let's say user says options or help. So when someone click help, I want to initiate this topic. Okay, so just click on help and hit enter. So once the user click help, this topic will initiate. What is the name of the topic? Yes, I want to give Apollo topic. Okay, custom topic. And here you can display message. Okay, I want to ask a question with an option. So I can choose here, please choose an option. And you can define here what are the options you want to display. First option, I want to display appointment booking. Okay, next I want to display the download reports, and that's it. So just save it. Okay, now once you save it, you can publish it, then you can test, and you can also test in live. Right now it is the test inside this Copilot Studio. You just publish this. Once you publish, live users can use it. Publishing takes some couple of seconds. Now you can test this. You just refresh it and the greetings topic will initiate. Then just type help. Once you click on help, the Apple custom topic will initiate and ask the question. Please choose an option. And here it is showing two options: appointment booking and download report. Okay. Now on selection of either appointment booking or download report, you can proceed further using custom agent flow or whatever logic you want to create. You can proceed further integrating. But this is how you can customize. Right now, once it is published, let us go here and publish this model driven app also, because you have uh, changed or customized this app assistant agent, and see how it works. If you click on play and the end user or the model driven app user try to interact with this Copilot, see how it let's see how it works. Now this is the model driven app, okay, which display all the appointments. And here you see there is a Copilot, and this Copilot is actually connected to your Copilot that you just customized. So if you type help here also, it should initiate that custom topic that you have initialized. You see, please choose an option: appointment booking or download report. And depending on the selection, whatever logic you have written, whatever logic you have defined in your Copilot, that will kickstart. This is how you can customize and use agent flow for complex operations, and you can leverage all the power of Copilot Studio inside this custom topic you have created for your app assistant in your model driven app. Thank you everyone watching this video. See you next time. Bye.